Good morning, guys. Another crisp one. The wind is a little brisk this morning. We're gonna head in search of more fall color with Gerald. I'm just gonna go pick him up shortly. I need to give a shout out to Sony and the quality of their cameras. Yesterday, I dropped this camera in the creek down a 10-foot bank. There was all rocks at the bottom, so I don't know how it would have missed the rocks. I don't see any smash marks, anything obvious, but it went down the bank and into the creek, 2 feet to the bottom, covered in sand and river foam and water. Now, the water did not get inside of the camera, fortunately. I brought it home. I meticulously cleaned it for over an hour. I let it sit all night. I turned it on this morning, and lo and behold, we have a working Sony camera. Also, I guess the Tamron lens needs a shout out as well, because it survived. No water got in it either. So I feel like I dodged a bullet there. This thing was 2 feet underwater. I'm gonna say at least 15 seconds before I scrambled down that bank and grabbed it and yoinked it out of there. So kudos to you both, Tamron and Sony. All right, we're on our way up to Temiskaming. We're gonna go to Little Falls today. Gerald knows where it is. I've never been there. There's a bit of color along the way, but it's actually raining. So if we see anything, we're gonna, we'll stop if we see anything worth stopping for.
And I'll correct Gary, I've never been to the falls. Christine has been to the falls, but I think I know how to get there.
Oh, he thinks he knows. Okay, well.
I think I know where the trail is. If you follow the trail, you just stay on the trail until you get there. So hopefully, yeah.
That's not what you told me earlier.
The adventure, it's all about the adventure.
Hey, look at that, the sun is out. There's hope yet, Gerald.
Just grab it from here. Just, yeah, because
I don't know what I'm getting into, guys. I just told Gerald, just stick it in there. He's behind me. I'm like, oh God, I didn't just say that. Trying to get my tripod on the bottom of my pack sack here.
This one needs to be, holy shit, loosen.
Too much gear. Hey, what are you doing back there? Hey! Okay, so somewhere down this trail, there should be a waterfall.
Not a big one, but one that's hopefully it'll make nice pictures.
There's a bit of color. Yeah, these ones are hard to climb because the stones just turn over as you're climbing.
Yeah, kind of spinning.
We ran into a guy on a four-wheeler and he told us to keep going for about 1 kilometer and turn left. So the first left is coming up here.
Here they are. And then not too far in on the left.
Right by the beer can. So they mark everything up here, eh? You know, actually this screams old homestead, Gerald.
Yeah. But is this the trail he's talking about? What do you think? He said you'll see. Yeah, it must be.
Yeah, it's got to be. He said take the first left.
Yeah. Oh, there's a sign up there. And you're saying that might look like an old homestead?
This kind of right here looked like it. I don't know.
And if we don't, we'll come back.
Yeah, kind of has that cleared space right here for an old house. This road is 1830s logging road. This road carries on, the one we were just on, that four-wheeler trail, carries on up behind my dad's camp, way up the Ottawa River.
I guess we'll find out. He says it's not too far in off that road. So. And I guess it's nice to see the ones that do appreciate it. Like some of the other people, they can't get out at all. And
yeah, I mean the work that goes into getting one shot sometimes. I mean, I've got 25 pounds of gear on my back right now between the tripod, the drone, extra cameras and lenses. It's a good workout.
Just trying to get the tripod strapped onto the bags and work out.
Okay, so I can hear a waterfall off in the distance now.
Now just be careful with your slide, Jim.
Yeah, it's going to be slippery going down here with all these leaves.
You can hear the falls. I'm making sure if I take a flip, you don't have to stick. I hear water. This is nice and peaceful.
Yeah, beautiful trail. Look at that color in front of us.
Yeah, oh, right here, yeah.
Actually, that's whoa, right here, Gerald. There's a shot right here. I got to get my other camera out. All right, I see water. Creek's just down here. As far as I know, there's speckled trout in that river as well.
The big fall.
Yeah, you can hear the falls now.
The rain will be more.
Oh, look at that light right there, Gerald. To your left.
I don't know if that was a. Where is it?
Gerald and I are going to end up with all the same shots, but that's just the way it is, eh?
Oh, beautiful.
It is beautiful. I told him not only up here, looking at the falls, I wish there was more color right here, but if you look down here, that's a nice shot too with the big log going across there. I'm paranoid after yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm not letting go of this tripod.
Well, Gary's going to try to attempt to make it over to get that stick out of the shot. You could almost confuse him as Bigfoot, but he's determined that he's going to get that stick out of the way. Maybe not. Well, if you're over there, you should have brought your camera for that shot of the falls. Just watch those, they're probably slippery, those rocks.
The things I do for a perfect shot.
Use the stick to guide you.
Now I just gotta get back. Learn from my mistakes, Gerald. Don't push it too far. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Are you coming over?
No. No. I learned my lesson yesterday. The stress of having a camera end up in the creek yesterday was too much. I would just, no shot is worth dropping $5,000 worth of gear in the river. I hope he doesn't learn the hard way. Okay, so I'm gonna go up above the falls and just take a peek and see. Oh, there's an old bridge. Remains of an old bridge. Yeah, that's kind of pretty too. Yeah, right here. Yeah, I would say there's a couple shots up there.
Yeah?
There's the remains of an old bridge. And then where the river goes up above, it's kind of pretty as well. We should probably take all our gear and just go up there. The life of danger that we live. Check out this cool rock cave that I found. It's pretty cool. Pretty square cut.
Definitely feel through there, just the color.
Yeah.
Okay, Gary, you carry me on your back.
Not with all this gear I brought today. I'll leave the tripod and the extra camera at home next time. I'll carry you, Gerald.
Yeah.
Oh, frig, it just keeps climbing and climbing.
We're feeling this on the legs.
It's like the Inca Trail. The camera doesn't really show how steep this is, guys. But when I get ahead of Gerald, you can see it's bloody steep.
I feel it in the back of the legs.
Look at this for color.